We're going to take a trip to Birds Unlimited to pick up bird stuff. They're a great place for bird seeds. Now, this is not sponsored by Birds Unlimited. They're not giving us anything for this. We're just going there. Karen loves it.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Actually called Wild Birds Unlimited, not Birds Unlimited. But here we are. Now we have to figure out which one to get.
Let me know if you have any questions about it.
Okay. This stuff is great for birds. They love eating this stuff. Check out these beautiful bird houses. I'd like to have about 10 of them in my yard. Great store. If you haven't been here, make it a point of showing up. Each morning I put out stuff like this, bird seed. They like it. We like to feed the birds. And so, we put out a lot of bird feeders. Figuring if we put out bird feeders, we'll attract some birds. So, months ago, I put out one. It's a feeder that sticks on your window. We thought we would sit inside and we could watch the birds. I'll show you what that feeder looks like. Problem was, not a single bird came. But what we found out as the weather got cooler and the birds got hungrier, they showed up over there. And now we can sit in the dining room and watch the birds as they feed. So I also put another one up. And I attached it to our post. And I put up a GoPro so we could turn it on when a bird shows up in there. Hopefully, a bird or two may show up during the filming of this, and you get to see some birds eating. That's thrilling, isn't it? Probably not for you, but it is for the birds. These are mealyworms. They're dried, freeze-dried. I don't think I'd want to be putting my hand in a bag with a bunch of live worms. Not very appealing, but I can do this because they ain't moving. But birds like them, so put a little bit of that in there. These birds get well fed. after we went to the Wild Birds Unlimited, we bought another hummingbird feeder. What we found is hummingbirds are pretty territorial. The male kind of protects the feeder and won't let the females come by. So what we did is we put up two, so one is at a distance where the male can't see the other feeder. That way they both can eat. And in fact, we only had the feeder up just a few minutes, and the male went over to the new feeder, and the female was able to go to the old feeder. I'll show you the new feeder. If you get a chance and you have the time and you like to watch birds, feeding them is a great way to get them there. We have enjoyed seeing all the birds that have come into this yard. This video didn't show them all, but we've had all kinds of birds come here, and it's just a pleasure to watch them. I guess that's part of being retired. Me and the birds, but it's good stuff. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy New Year. I guess I said that on the last video. And we'll catch you again next Thursday. Bye.